Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change status of your tasks in ClickUp. So in my ClickUp workspace I have this team space, and I will go over to project 2 where I have this task. So search for your task and simply go right here where it says status. Under your task, click on it and change it so it was to do. Now I have started working on it, so it is in progress. As you can see, task 1 status changed. You can also set it to complete, and if you want to undo it, just press Command Z or Ctrl Z and undo the completion of the task. This is really simple how to add status in ClickUp. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.